What's up everyone, Coach RT3 and I'm here in Singapore, and today we're going to talk about decelerating a load into rotation. So what we're going to do is we're going to start by stabilizing the mace. From here we're going to keep the elbow at 90 degrees. We're going to pack the shoulder blades down and back into the scapula. Elbow is really close to the body. Today we're going to open up into rotation, pack that elbow in nice and tight. We're going to cast away from the body, and as it comes across, we decelerate that load into the hips. Okay? Decelerate into the hips, pack back in. Okay, so as we're coming across, we're decelerating, we're bending the knee, and we're decelerating into the obliques, and then we accelerate back up and pack in. Watch that one more time. So we open up, cast away, decelerate, pack. All right, give that a try. Leave me a comment below, let me know what you think. Be sure to hit the like button and share this throughout your social media channels. And if you like this and you want more, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.